Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you guys how to drink your tea this winter. So what I do is I buy the oolong tea and the green tea, the organic kind by Prince of Peace. I love this tea. I am big on, the thing is, green tea is so good for you, so healthy for you, helps you lose weight, okay? Everybody knows the benefits of green tea. The thing about oolong tea, if you drink 4 cups every day for 7 days, it eliminates the free radicals from your body by over 50%. Another thing this tea does is it shrinks fat cells. So what you do is you do 2 of this and 2 of this every day in a big pot, and you drink this pot throughout the day, okay? Now, if you're someone like me who loves, like, for example, Earl Grey tea, I'm a big Earl Grey tea lover. You don't buy Earl Grey tea, you buy the oolong tea and the green tea, and you buy bergamot extract, and you put a couple drops of bergamot extract in this pot. And that's how you get the Earl Grey flavor, but instead of drinking black tea, you're drinking a healthy tea that's gonna detox you and help you lose weight, okay? I don't have bergamot right now, but I have peppermint. You only need about a drop per 10 to 20 ounces. You really don't need that much, and it gives it a delicious flavor. So this is just another way for you guys to be able to have what you're craving, but do it the healthy way, okay? I don't do flavor teas. Like, I love orange. I actually love orange spice. So what I like to do is put a drop of orange in my tea and a drop of cinnamon in my tea. And then it tastes like an orange cinnamon spice tea, and it's delicious. So this is how you can flavor your teas and still get the good healthy tea that's gonna detox you and help you lose weight, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Come visit us, HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can find more recipes like this, and you can place an order online. Or if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.